welcome to my channel. It's your girl Linda here again today. My lovely subscribers, I thank you all for being there for me. And if you are just stopping by, you are also welcome. Thank you for hanging around, and let's share this time together. Today we're gonna be unboxing something. What's that? Electric egg cooker. It's my first time having it. We just saw it in a supermarket. Hubby just picked it in a basket before I could know it, and there's one other stuff. So let's just review and use the egg cooker for the first time to see how it works, and I want to do that with you guys. Let's get started. So guys, here are the stuffs. This and this. This is a flask. It can work for warm stuffs or cold stuffs, drinks, juice, tea, and whatever. Now let's start with this first of all. Here, I've not opened it, so let's do that together. Let's see what it has inside. Or let's just go through what's in here. It has a cooking tray, cover, and measuring cup suitable for dishwashers. So let's see the inside. Here is it, guys. Here is it. Guys, just see it with me. Yeah. Then later I'll quickly go through this to know what's up in it. So from here, there's a nut here. Then here we have the cap, the covering cap. Here we have the measuring jar, the amount of water to be used for cooking the eggs. That's the measuring jar. This is the stuff for holding the eggs. It is sealed. It has how many spaces here? That's 7 for 7 eggs, guys. And this is the tray. Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, in the middle. Yeah. So this is the tray, guys. Now I've seen it. I normally see this around at friends' place, in YouTube's, but I haven't used it, guys. So now let me try cooking eggs with it with you guys. If you like it, you may go for it if you think it's helpful in the kitchen. Okay, guys. Now let me just plug it, and I've not turned it on. I will turn it on later. I set the collecting tray, or the, what do I call, the crate, on the tray. Now I get some egg. Here is the egg to be cooked. I placed one in the middle. 1, 2, that's 3 now. 4,
that's
5, oh, sorry, 6, 7. So that's it, guys. Now let's add the water to this level. That's the maximum. Hope I'm right, guys. Yeah. Now I cover it. They said it has a timer. Okay. Sorry guys, I didn't show you this before. Now, I know I didn't go through the leaflets, but I know it's gonna work. So let's set it to the maximum heat so we don't waste too much time boiling the egg. So guys, let's go through the leaflets together. Though I didn't go through it, but from my mind I set it to hard-boiled eggs, and that's the one we normally eat. We don't eat egg that is not well boiled, you know. It's advised to boil your egg very well to kill any microbes or anything that might be forming inside the egg. So here I already set it to hard boil. You can see this program symbol and meaning, the sign for soft boiled eggs, hard boiled, medium boiled eggs, and hard boiled eggs. So that's how I set mine now, to the setting of the hard boiled eggs. You can see the setting already here. So that's what we are expecting right now, the hard boiled eggs. So let's move ahead to see more of what's written here. So guys, the egg is now boiling. You can see the vapor covering the cap or the cover. So it's boiling, and here is the timer. It has inbuilt timer. Whenever the egg is well boiled, the timer will give the alarm, and I will turn it off and get the eggs out. All right. So guys, the readiness of the eggs depends on the heat you set it, either for the maximum heat, the low heat, and the more low heat, medium heat and low heat. The low heat is for soft eggs, and the medium heat is for a medium cooked egg, and the maximum is for hard boiled egg, which is the one we are doing, the hard boiled egg. So anytime it's ready, the timer will automatically let us know by making some noise, so to know that the egg is ready. Now let me just quickly show you this, a little unboxing. Will you say it's necessary or not, but I want to share what inspired me in getting this flask. I just admired it in the market. I thought it would be so nice, but I didn't think he may ask me to take it. He said I should take it. So I just like the two caps. The two caps or cups. So it has that too. That's what attracted me to. So guys, what attracted me really to this flask are these two caps. Because I have, you know, my two little girls, AC and Ossie. Sometimes I go out with them. You know, Dublin is a very cold place. If you come out in the morning, you will feel like having tea or taking something hot. And buying it often may not be very reasonable. So I take some tea with this, but it's not even enough. And the cup and all that, we have to carry extra cup of that. So when I saw this, it's a bit bigger, it's like a liter, and it has these two cups. It's made my journey simple. If I do my tea, either of the types, or hot chocolate or any strawberry tea or any of that, I just cover it with the caps intact into my knapsack, because Dublin is a knapsack country. I will make a video on that too. Into my knapsack or bag, off we go. to school, to anywhere we have to go. So this makes it easy. Whenever they want to drink tea, the cups are there already for them, so I use it to put for them. That's it, guys. That's why I got this. And it has 12 hours to stay with hot stuff and 24 hours with cold stuff. So that is it, and the price is still good. So that's the second unboxing. It's called stainless steel insulated flask. Yeah, now let's check out the egg and see how it's doing. The egg is still here, boiling. It's still boiling, guys. Guys, the eggs are ready. It has cooked. It took about 5 minutes and it did a beep sound, and with that sound it stopped boiling and it's ready. So now I'm gonna be heating the egg. I'm gonna put the egg in a running water to let the shells come off easily. You can see it's well cooked and it's even cracked here. Now to let this shell come out easily, I will run this in cold water. If not, it will stick to the body. Let cold water work on it. Yeah, I think it's okay now. So I have to pour away the remaining water. I have to turn it off. Now let's check out this egg. I saw one that was already cracked. Yeah, this. Yeah, guys, the egg is ready. You can see that. Easy to peel and well cooked. I think it makes cooking life easy. You don't have to wait for space to come out on the stove or gas before you make your egg. You go straight for your eggs and get them done while your food is getting ready. See that yellow part? Well cooked. Made cooking life so easy, guys. So how do you say it? Does it worth it? It's not even expensive. How much did we get it? It's not that expensive, right? It's very cheap. So I think it's worth it having it around in the house, especially we women. We have so many things to do at a time. This can help us out in one way or the other. Yes, guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being with me. Please try to like, okay? I'm not forcing you, just like the video, comment your opinion, whether it's worth having in the house or is not important. However you look at it, then like, share, comment, and if you are new here that you haven't seen this channel before, please subscribe, okay? subscribe and help this channel grow. I see you in my next video, guys. Catch you. Bye and ciao ciao.